Hello everyone, and welcome to the PassFab channel. If you've been locked out of your Lenovo laptop because you can't remember your password, don't panic. It happens to a lot of people. In this video, I'll walk you through how to reset your forgotten password and get back into your computer without losing any of your files or personal settings. The first option is using a password reset disk. If you created one earlier on this Lenovo PC, start the laptop normally and wait for the login screen. Connect the USB reset disk, then type any wrong password. Once you see the reset password prompt, click it. The password reset wizard will open and guide you step by step. Just type in a new password, confirm it, add a hint, and finish. After that, log in with the password you just created, and your access is restored. If you never made a reset disk, the next method is even more reliable. You'll need a Windows password recovery tool called PassFab for WinKey. Use the link in the description to download the program on another working computer. Open PassFab for WinKey once it's installed. Plug in a blank USB flash drive and click Start to begin. Choose your USB device from the list. Remember, anything on that drive will be erased. Click Start Burning, and the software will prepare a bootable reset disk for you. When it finishes, close the program and safely remove the USB drive. Now go back to the locked Lenovo laptop, insert the bootable USB. To access the boot menu on most Lenovo models, repeatedly press F12 or Novo, the small button beside the power button, while the laptop powers on. From the boot menu, choose the USB flash drive. Wait a moment for PassFab for WinKey to load. Once the interface appears, pick your Windows installation and select Next. You'll see a list of user accounts. Highlight the account you want to unlock, then choose Reset Account Password. Enter your new password, confirm it, and click Reset. When the tool completes the process, restart the laptop. At the login screen, type your new password, and you're back in. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.